Payment reversal for the FNB for the e-wallet is a very simple thing to do, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. So I'll be providing you a complete document for a physical renewal of the process, and if you are doing it on your application, I'll be showing you how to do it properly. So make sure that if you're new to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you exactly have to do is to follow these steps. Reverse an e-wallet payment on the FNB application, log into your FNB app and sign in. So tap on the e-wallet from the main menu and find the payment you want to reverse. Tap on the transaction and select the reverse option if available. What you have to do is to confirm the prompts to confirm the reversal. So the option isn't available. So if the option isn't available, contact the FNB customer support for the assistance. So the other thing is there is a whole bunch of document that you can apply for the online reversal of the payment. So I'll be providing this document link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I hope you find this video helpful.